Sine of B is opposite over hypotenuse. And remember that this angle is a right angle as well. So sine of B is equal to, the opposite is h and the hypotenuse is a. We're going to multiply both sides by a in order to isolate h. And we're left with h is equal to a times sine of b. So now we've determined two expressions that are equal to h. In the first case, using sine of a, we found that h is equal to b times sine of a. Using sine of b, we found that h is equal to a times sine of b. So now that we've got two expressions for the same variable, the height, these two must be equal to one another. So if they're equal to one another, we can set them equal. So b times sine of angle A is equal to a times sine of angle B. And what we're going to do now is divide both sides by AB, a times B. And when we divide the left-hand side by AB, well, the b's are going to cancel out. And we're left with sine of A over A. And if we divide the right-hand side by a times B, the a's are going to cancel out, and we're left with sine of angle B over B. So now this represents part of the sine law that we saw before when we were using Geometry Sketchpad. And we could have used the another height where we had drawn the height of the triangle from either vertex A or vertex B, and we would have then found the other part of the sine law, which is sine C. This is all equal to sine of angle C over C. So here is our sine law again. So now what I'd like you to do is state the two versions of sine law for this triangle and realize that we're using different variables than we did before, but the idea is the exact same.